What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be putting the new control arm on the Benz. I'm not going to record the whole process because it is really chilly out here today and kind of windy, and honestly I just want to get it done. I'm going to see if I can get a little bit of the process of switching out the strut, but we're losing daylight, so without further ado, let's get to it.
Good job. So, talk it to me.
Many complications later, and this thing has given me a run for my money. Not to mention, took off my control arm, not the spring arm, and yeah, that's pretty bad. So I know I have an extra one laying around here. I just cannot find it for the life of me. Currently waiting on some backup. Brian's gonna be here soon, and I'm gonna try and hang in there until he gets here, because this is gonna be a lot easier with multiple arms. So hopefully he gets here soon. If not, it's okay. I'm just gonna have to thug it out. But oh man, so much more than I asked for. So to update you all, Brian came over to help me out, and we got it in. And what I was gonna do is I might have told you this already, but I was gonna try and find my replacement to that control arm. But it's fine, can't find it. Don't worry about it. We're just gonna try and get this done, and hopefully try and get the new strut in, because this is the most important part that I needed to fix. I can still drive on the strut. I was just hoping I could get this done. If not, it's fine. Gotta go to work tomorrow, so I don't have time to dilly-dally with this tonight. If we get the rest of it on, I'll let you know. I'm not even going to consider putting the bag in, but we got the control arm in. Complicated process, but that's it. The reason it took so long is because this control arm, that ball joint right there, is bad. It's horrible. So you can imagine putting that on was a nightmare. But it's on. I can finally use my car again. And I'm not gonna be able to put that bag on tonight because I have work tomorrow. So, good vlog. If I keep having long content like this, I think I might end up just releasing every other day. Hint, hint, wink, wink. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a driving test. I was just testing you. But yeah, parts are in, wheels on. Car is looking weird because, you know, yeah. But we're gonna go ahead and take this for a ride, test the new control arm out. Nothing crazy, still gonna drive it kind of soft. I just want to listen for any of those knocking, bumping noises, and hopefully it turned out well. As rare as it is for me to find someone else who also has an S430, in case you guys do need the parts, it's Euro parts. I'll put the link down in the description below. I ordered it off of AutoZone because I knew if I got it from them, I was going to actually be able to get the part that I needed. So, if you guys are ever finding yourself in need of parts, AutoZone is a good way, but expensive, to guarantee what part you'll be getting. I'm not sponsored by them, I swear. So, without further ado, let's take it for the test drive. So, since it has been shut down for a while, and you know, there's things you gotta do to reset the Benz, I'm gonna give it a second to raise up first, because first and foremost, that's the thing that needs to happen. And then I gotta reset the steering, then we'll be on our way. I'm probably not gonna record as much while we're driving. I might. You won't be able to see me anyways, and I don't need to have the light blasting in my face the whole time, but we'll see. I was gonna show you guys the aromatic airing up, but don't worry about it. I might record. We'll see. Turns out I was using the wrong mic when I recorded the first test run. So, because I really don't mind doing a second one, let's go for another ride. I'll just talk you back through everything that I had an issue with that I talked about first time and forgot to record. So, let's get going. So, first thing is, like, with this curb down here, every time you went over it with the wheel turned at an angle, it'd make a thunk. Nothing. Silence. Every little bump in the road used to make a super loud clunking sound, like with the knuckle of the control arm. Nothing. It's silent now, and it's great. No loud clunking, no annoying over every tiny bump in the road. It handles great. It used to have this issue where it would like just pull to the right insanely strong. Nothing. It does still need an alignment, but that's something that's gonna happen after you've changed out your control arm. That's a need. Also, we're gonna ignore that. Dang, bro, some bright lights. That right there is just from the door open screen is from after my little tussle with somebody at school where the door is bent in. I brought it to the body shop to have them line up the door, and I just haven't put the door sensor back into its proper position yet, which is something I'll be doing later for some extra content. Maybe I'll put it on a mini vlog, maybe I'll do it in a main vlog, we'll see. But yeah, guys, it feels amazing. It feels great. It hasn't handled this well in a super long time, and I'm happy. I'm honestly very happy with the results. There's a few more maintenance things we need to do for this car. Actually, there's a lot, but out of the most important things, that was one of them, and that is great. So what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, after I get off of work, I'm gonna see if I can get that strut put on. So as for now, this is gonna be it. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all back at the house. All right, look, let me know what y'all think. Should I just do the last two struts, finish renewing the air suspension, and keep this car? Or should I really try to sell it? Because I need to know. I'm having some conflicting thoughts here. But in the meantime, yeah, just put your answer down in the comments. I'll talk about it tomorrow's video. If you want to get in contact with me, you can find my socials here. I need to run some errands, so I'm probably going to end it right here. Guys, this is great. It feels great. It feels amazing. I mean, I still have to do that strut, but for the work I did today, satisfied. So happy with it. It handles like a dream now. It's going to feel perfect again once I put that rear strut on and swap out that other control arm issue. It's coming along great, guys. This build is going to be awesome. I'm going to see if I can find some renders to show you guys. If not, I'm going to learn how to make one. Because this car, I have so many plans for it. It's going to be great. I'm excited. You guys should be excited. I'm also tired. It's time for bed. I got to work tomorrow morning. So, thank you guys for tuning in today. So glad I was able to get this done with you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, inquiries, leave a comment below. I'll try and get back to y'all as soon as possible. If you guys want to see any more content, any different types of content, let me know. Because I do have some other content I'm trying to roll out, and I'm trying to get you guys more content more often. So, just let me know. I'll get you guys whatever you guys need. Again, thanks for tuning in. You guys have a blessed night.